What's happening? It's Sashin Govender. I'm out here right now in Durban, South Africa, one of the most underprivileged areas out here. And as much as we make a living, I want to make a living giving. I've partnered up with a lot of other foundations out there, especially the World Ventures Foundation, SPA, Quick SPA, most importantly, going out there and blessing it forward. This challenge right now is called the Bless It Forward Challenge. I'm challenging you, everyone out there, business owners, influencers, celebrities, network marketers, everyone. I'm challenging you to give back to the underprivileged, to bless it forward. And you know, the more you give, the more you receive. So today we have 1,000 bread loaves. We're literally giving out 1,000 of these to people who really need it. So let's connect on social media. Let's do some big things together. I want to give back more than ever before. I want you to give back. Let's make a difference. Let's change the freaking world. We want zero recognition, nothing at all. 86% of South Africans are in debt right now. So you gotta understand, we gotta make a difference together. The more we feed, the more we educate, the less poverty we have out here in this country. We did it, man. We gave out 1,000 bread loaves. Yes, it took a few hours of our time. We gave back to the underprivileged, and that's what it's all about, making a living giving. I challenge you. Let's do what we need to do best.